In this video I'm gonna show the new one-click feature using IdentityIQ as the credit report provider. So this is the Credit Money Machine Cloud, and we are in the dashboard right now. By going to the context, let's pretend these are tests, but let's pretend that this is a real customer. And if we examine here the data, we'll see that we have some login for IdentityIQ, some login information. So with the new system, the only thing that you need to do basically is to go to the dispute center and click the extract from IdentityIQ. That's it. No need to log in, no need to grab it, no need to do copy and paste, nothing. And then everything, as you can see, is being classified: the type of dispute, inquiries, collections, charge-off, late payment, etc. The reasons are assigned automatically. The letters are assigned, the creditors, the account IDs, these are blanks because they are inquiries, and then we have the dates here. So here we have the ID, everything, the date of that it was open, and the bureau. So everything is done absolutely with one click. Most importantly, if we were processing the second, third, fourth round, whatever, we only need to click again the extract from IdentityIQ, and it will update and automatically will change all the statuses, delete it, and it will process the second round, will add select the correct letter automatically. So essentially it will take seconds what it takes you, hours or at least 45 minutes with other software. It's as simple as that. Plus, as you know, you can manipulate the data pretty easily, like for example omitting inquiries for the first round. Very easy to do, couple of clicks, and now we don't have inquiries, and that's it pretty much. We can print the selected letters, and then it will pop up here, and you will be able to we're gonna see it here. We will be able to print the letters or download it to your hard drive or print them, and that's pretty much that. As you can see, that's all you need. Very simple. Thanks.